like that.
15.
I like this. I wish we had space for that. It's nice though.
The head comes off, so that just comes off. No,
Okay. I see.
it's just decoration, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, I got too much space. It's really cool. I like it a lot. So it was time well spent. Take a buck for this?
Sure.
That is cool. Huh?
Thank you.
So we're not sitting.
Why not?
Oh, no, I got one. Got a bracelet that slid in there, too.
The whole big thing.
Can I go to McDonald's?
No.
My tooth hurts.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay, there's not much we could do about that. It's the second yard sale in a row. Like, I've never found them at yard sales until today. How are you? Good. Okay. Perfect.
If you have any interest in DVDs, 50 cents each.
Okay. Cambridge. Soccer. You want a soccer shirt?
I don't know.
Huh?
I said, I don't know.
Oh, we could have used this before we got our bathroom done.
What is it?
For the shower. What did we use these? No, they won't work. A lot of people so far?
Not really. A lot of people pull over, and then I guess that's too expensive for
You know
them,
what?
so they
Sometimes I don't like doing drive-bys anymore. So you just don't know what you're going to miss.
Yeah, if you don't go look,
Honestly, that's the,
might be something.
that's the way I look at it.
Might be a Clemente fan.
It is cool.
We could have it for practically nothing, whatever you'd want to pay for it. Oh, take a look at the cars. There's a lot of good players. Might be somebody you're a fan of.
The good stuff. All the old stuff.
Well, you know, the old stuff. I don't know what happened. to
Cards
all
got
of it.
so
I had a lot
expensive.
of it. I sold a lot of it, and I don't know what those people are doing with it because they're not trying to sell it back, and it's not out there.
It's very expensive now.
People want everything in mint with four
Correct.
sharp corners, and
I'm not.
that's hard to find mint with four sharp corners.
It is. It just gets so expensive. I mean, there's cards. It's crazy.
Yeah, there's a place out in Cranberry, Card Castle.
Yep.
It's about the only place left.
I go out there every so often. Get some. Just buy some packs.
Yeah, I like their inventory. 8 million cards.
Yeah. It's crazy.
At one time, I had about 100,000 cards, and she was going to divorce me over it. And they have 8 million. 8 million.
I used to have a good
more.
bit too. I sold it all off, and I wish I would have waited because.
See, the other way. I sold most of mine. I'm glad.
Oh, I could have probably sold it for way more now.
Yeah.
Well, our grandsons aren't interested.
Yeah, it's surprising. We had 2 boys, and Frank played baseball for Amherst for 4 years. And he's not interested.
Not interested. Hey, I started to get back into it little by little, and
Yeah. Well,
what's in this one?
Oh, you could have the whole box for. I have 25. You could have it for 15 if you want them. There's some stars, a lot of comments. Not many cards, though, unfortunately, because people, you know,
Yeah.
in the area cards disappear. Muhammad Ali book,
That's
$2.
Rhoda.
Yeah, Valerie Harper actually sent us this autograph that there's her script.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Yeah, from one
it's
of the.
interesting to look at.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's definitely cool. I don't know if it's got any
We
value.
did like
but
a celebrity auction for their
Yeah.
PTO one year.
Oh, really?
All
Yeah.
these people to send stuff.
you know what we had?
We had a football from the Steelers.
Steelers,
all
about
signed.
20 guys signed.
Wow.
it. We got the football for what, 30?
Yeah,
$30 for
not that many people showed up.
What are you asking on this one?
what's that?
The
Right,
script.
$3?
Okay, then I got 6 cards.
Okay,
From that
you have it
stuff.
for 5, 6 for 5.
Okay, so $10 then, or $8?
$8 is
Okay.
good.
5. Might get lucky. I don't think so, actually. Let me double count that.
That was Michelle. Our daughter lives up in Moon, and the fighter jets were going over.
They
her
went over
house
here
last
yesterday.
night.
They went over here yesterday.
And
Yeah.
she called. She's by herself. Her husband went away, and she goes, "There's
This-
fighter jets coming." Okay.
And I came out of the house, and right up here, this fighter jet flew right up over us.
Wow, I didn't see
I
that.
heard it first, and I'm like, that doesn't sound like a normal plane. I looked up, and it was moving.
She said, "Is somebody here? You know, like one of the."
They might be. I wonder if they're training this weekend.
Must be.
That
I
has to
said,
be
"You
why.
sure that's our fighter jet?"
Yeah.
She
Yeah.
said, yeah, I think so.
Perfect. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Good luck the rest of the day.
You too,
Oh, yeah.
thank you.
You ready?
Appreciate it.
Uh-huh.
Good day.
You too.
You hungry? You want to eat the breakfast sandwich?
I have them all in sizes,
Okay.
and then there's kids ones that are more appropriate on the bottom.
Look, full height.
Ah, wait. It does.
It looks like it, but I don't think it does.
Yeah, it does. Look, come back here. Look on his butt. I think that thing fits. You know what I mean?
Well, that's
Mine, you can have it.
Look over here.
It's a Red Bull. I don't think I can do it right.
anyone else but yours don't.
I don't want it. I can't.
Really?
No, that's something is not good. I literally bought it yesterday. and that was it. It's sugar free, this. Okay.
Wish that fit me.
Look at that purple purse behind you.
Huh?
Yeah, there's the purple.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, hold on.
I don't do those anymore.
Look at this, bud.
Oh, yeah.
This will fit me. You ready? How are you today? Wish I had room for it. What are you asking on this?
I'm asking 150.
Okay. It's pretty neat.
Signed by the cover artist.
That's pretty cool. I never can get into comic books though.
I will actually won that on the company that
Oh really?
did that, and I don't collect comics either, and it's one of those things that
Put on eBay.
I thought about it. I mean,
Be your best bet, I bet.
well, that's what so the company that does this stuff, they do like autograph
Mm-hmm.
signings
Was
and
it? Yeah.
and they did like comic things for a little while, and most of it is the actual comic, the full cover and stuff. But they had the virgin cover done on this one, and they gave it away in one of the things.
It's a good win.
But It's, you know,
Yeah, I'd put that up on eBay. It'd probably go quick.
yeah. That's what like the other the normal versions.
Yeah.
They're all going for like $90 on there. And I figure with the virgin cover and stuff like that,
Oh,
it has to be worth more.
Correct. Yep. Good luck.
But you're not going to get what it's worth. I was thinking take that.
Shows all over where
How are you?
Okay.
How much you have on these three?
Christian, or Leslie, you know what he wanted for his shirt?
I think he wanted 10 for them.
10.
Yeah, that's what he sold one for.
$20 for that.
Yeah, we don't need those though.
Oh, Mom could have got me shit.
We're good. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, hopefully you enjoyed that footage from our community yard sale here where we live. My middle daughter went out and we had a blast. We went out for about 2 hours, found a ton of stuff. Hopefully you could tell in the footage some of the stuff we found. I know some of the houses we did not film at early because I got a bad vibe from those places and I felt that those people did not want to be filmed. So we started filming when we got to one of the churchyard sales, the church rummage sales, and we found some amazing stuff. I'm going to show you what we found, show you some sold comps on some of the items that I found. Some of the items I couldn't find any sold comps. So I'm going to just tell you what I think it might go for, but let's get into this. I don't want to waste any more of your time. So one of the things I know we did not find on camera, since it was one of the early yard sales, is we found 21 sets of Color Street nails. A bunch of different sets, some new sets, some older sets, but 21 sets total. She had $1 on each set. It ended up being 21, like I mentioned, and she gave them to me all for $20. Well, as the time of filming this video, we have a wedding to go to tonight, so my wife took a set out she's going to use since she stopped selling Color Street. My daughter also took out a set, so down to 19 sets, but for $1 each, even if I sell these between $5 and $10, I'm gonna make some cash on these nails. One of the other things we found, this was at the churchyard sale, which I know we have some footage of, but we found these vintage Steeler painter's hats. I'm gonna pop up a sold comp on the screen for these. We found 3 of these. I don't think they're used, I'm not 100% sure, but they sell anywhere from $8 to $15 a piece for these, and we paid 50 cents each for these. This next find, I never find these at yard sales, and if you've watched our videos from the beginning, you know we are obsessed with Yeti stuff, but we found a brand new Yeti wine tumbler along with a mag slider lid for a grand total of $5. Now some of these wine tumblers do not sell as wonderful as you hope to, but I am keeping this one. I don't have a wine tumbler. I do enjoy a glass of wine every now and then. And this one's in black, so it's kind of a nice color. I'm wearing a black shirt. But for $5, you can't beat this. These are about $19 brand new in store. I could probably throw it on eBay with the lid for about $15, I bet. And I guarantee it would sell pretty fast, but I'm gonna keep this one and add it to her. We're gonna stay on the Yeti train. I mentioned I never find Yeti stuff at yard sales. Today I found 2 different Yeti things at back-to-back sales. We found this Yeti Sidekick. This is the dark gray or slap of charcoal. It was probably used very little. I got a piece of hair right here, which is probably from my floor. But a couple little pieces of fuzz, which I will take out. We paid $10 for this. Now the sold comps on eBay range from $40 to $60 for this. This is in really good shape. It definitely shows no wear but these couple things, so I'm expecting to get $40 to $60 for this because I really don't have a use for the side. Picked up a couple more hats, and I'm not 100% sure which sale I got these at. I have a feeling I got these at the church sale. You'll notice in the footage if you don't see it at the church or any of those sales, it was one of the early ones. We got this vintage Hawaii corduroy cap, really great shape, and we got this vintage Stroh's hat. Now I looked these up on eBay. I cannot find sold comps for either one of these hats, but I'm going to say we'll probably get about $10 to $15 per hat, and I think we paid 50 cents each. I don't have to show a sold comp on this next item because the price is right on here. We have a $15 Starbucks gift card for $5. Now the person said they don't like Starbucks and they were a FedEx driver and somebody gave it to them as a gift. So they figured, hey, might as well sell it for $5. So guess what? We got some free coffee coming from Starbucks. This next item is a fabulous item. I've been picking up a lot of cigar ashtrays recently, and I picked up this one. It is brand new in the box. There's the box, there's the lid. A little bit of wear to the box, but not gonna matter. But the ashtray is brand new. It is a vintage punch cigar ashtray right here. I'm gonna show you some comps up on the screen. We're looking at anywhere $69 pre-owned. I am thinking we're going to get about $75 to $100 for this ashtray. Do not sleep on cigar ashtrays, especially these vintage ones here. We've been picking this up for $5. The lady said make an offer. I told her I hate doing that, so she just said $5, and I said I'll take it. So this next item came from one of the first sales that I know I didn't film, but it is this Mickey Nightmare Snow Globe musical thing. I thought she had the box, but she didn't. She gave it to me for $10. The sold comps on this one, as you'll see up on the screen, 69, 84, 110, but the 110 is brand new box. But this one's in really good shape and a little dusty. I'll clean it up. I'm expecting to get about 70 to 80 bucks for this one. You guys know we're in Steeler country, and we find Steeler stuff pretty frequently, and you can't pass some stuff up for Whatnot and eBay, but we picked up this Steeler tie-dye shirt here. It is a size XL. Really nice tie-dye action on this one, and yep, this will either make it to Whatnot, or it's gonna make it to somebody that I have that buys my Steeler stuff. Also picked up this brand new, I don't think it's brand new, thought it was, this nice Steeler on-field Nike Thermafit. It is a size small. I think my daughter's gonna end up wearing this, or my wife, not 100% sure, but one of them will wear it. Also, picked up this Penguin one. This is a light windbreaker, really light, like paper thin. It is brand new with the tags right there. Looks like they got it from Walmart, but it is a nice, officially licensed Penguin pullover. So, really nice there. Originally at Walmart for $40. 3 more items, we're done with this video. Look at this, guys. Steeler item again, vintage starter Proline jacket. Awesome condition, and we paid $3 for this. I'm expecting for this to about go for maybe 80 to 100 bucks, maybe if not more. Nice super jacket, throwing some comps up on the screen for that one. Now this vintage Steeler starter jacket, I had a very hard time finding any comps for it, but it looks like the ones with the stars, like that, go for some crazy amounts of money, but I could not find this one out of everyone listed. It's got the Steeler logo on the back. It's a size large also. Super cool jackets. We paid $3 each. And last but not least, this item, I didn't even look it up while I was there, but the price, I couldn't pass it up. And I know I got this on footage and with the conversation with the item, but it is a signed script with the original envelope dated September of 1975. Valerie Harper, right here. That's her address. We used to be, I guess. But it is a Rhoda script signed by Valerie Harper, right there. There's also 2 photos included inside. I'm gonna pop up some comps on the screen. None really sold, but we paid $3 for that. I could probably list it at 100, and I think it's gonna move quick. And maybe that's what I'll do. Valerie passed away, I don't remember what year, but I'll pop that up on the screen too. She was on the Mary Tyler Moore Show. Super cool piece of history here, but I think it's gonna move. I might sit on it for a little bit, but I think this is one item that's definitely gonna move. So out of today, all these items today, we spent a grand total of $100. Exactly on the money, exactly. Pretty crazy, but $100. We expect to make some really good money, especially with the ashtray, the jackets, the script, the Yeti. I think it's gonna be really good. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. But till next time, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking.